The future of nanotechnology could be very exciting, dangerous and unpredictable. We are currently at the stage in which we are only starting to experiment with the possibilities of nanotechnology. We know that there are a lot of potential benefits that might come from this technology, but there are also risks involved. The future of nanotechnology has been a topic of much discussion. The risks of nanotechnology can be minimized with careful evaluation and research, but this is a daunting challenge for the government and industries. Such risks include the potential for human-engineered pathogens and other dangerous substances to be released or the use of nanotechnology in warfare or terrorism. Nanotechnology has a lot of potentials, but it can be dangerous if not handled carefully. Nanotechnology sounds like science fiction, but it's already here and is being used in products we use in our everyday lives. However, there are downsides to this new technology that many people aren't aware of.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to the YouTube channel. We will be uploading videos on a daily basis. You can also leave a comment in the comments section on your opinion on the subject.